Wake up. Wake up means to stop sleeping. Example, I wake up at 7 o'clock every morning.
Sit down. Please sit down here.
Stand up. The students stand up quickly. Put on. I put on my jacket. Take off. She takes off her shoes. Turn on. Please turn on the light. Turn off. Turn off the TV now.
Pick up. Please pick up the book.
Look after. I look after my grandmother. Get on. I get on the bus every morning. Get off. She gets off at school.
Breakdown. My car broke down yesterday.
Break up. They broke up last week.
Tear up. He tears up the paper.
Blackout. He blacked out after running.
Come in. Please come in and sit down. Go out. We go out at night. Find out. I want to find out the answer.
Give up. Never give up your dreams.
Call back. I will call you back later.
Run away. Calm down. Please calm down and relax.
Look for. I am looking for my keys. clean up your room. Hurry up! Hurry up! We are late!
Great job learning today. Keep practicing English every day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and learn more with StoryNest English.